So in this video, I will show you how to switch out the seat on a ShowerGlyde SG3. So the first thing you want to do is flip the seat upside down. Now, once the seat is facing down, I'm going to go ahead and activate the switch. And there are 4 screws, one on each corner. And in order to get to them, you'll have to swivel the seat and get to each one in order to loosen up the sliding base from the seat itself. All right, so to engage the swivel, you can either push or pull. So I'm going to go ahead and push, and here's your first screw. Now, every ShowerGlyde comes standard with the Allen key that's tucked underneath the seat. So you need to unscrew these, and these are a little tight. So you're going to repeat this step every single corner. There it is here. All right, so after you unscrewed the 4 Allens, you will remove the turning mechanism off, and now you have 4 Phillips screws that you will need to unscrew. Okay, now that all 4 Phillips screws have been unscrewed, remove the hardware. All right, so now go ahead and take the new seat out of the bag. Place it in the same position. And put your hardware back on. And we're going to reverse the steps. So make sure that all screws are nice and snug. Once you're done with that, go ahead and bring the carriage in. Engage the swivel and line up your holes. So there's my first hole. And keep them a little loose. Don't tighten them all the way until you got all 4 screws in. This will help you line up all the holes easier. Okay, now that I got all 4 screws lined up, I'm going to go back and tighten them all individually all the way down. All right, so now that you got all 4 screws attached, don't forget to place your Allen key back in its storage position, and the replacement seat has been completed.